Alright, I'm putting the gear door on. This is the left-hand door. And I've run into a number of issues. Fortunately, the guys on the forum have been very helpful in working through these issues. But first was the location of these hinges. Let me move this so you can see it. Those hinges, and they're not clinkoed in all the way yet. I'm still working that, but the location was kind of critical. The plans had one dimension listed, one place it listed the dimension was correct, another was wrong. So after the guys on the forum pointed that out, that was helpful. So I got that dimension correct. Let's see what else. One I haven't fixed yet. The main leg gear, left-hand leg gear, it sticks in the up position. Shouldn't do that. The right-hand side free falls. So I'm going to probably wind up, I'm thinking I'm going to wind up having to take this out and probably polish the tubes that go into the bushings up here in the mounts so that it doesn't stick. I'll get to that later once I get this door done. But speaking of sticking, this link right here, you can see this is very free on that end. But right there, where it connects to the main gear door leg, it was very, very tight. I couldn't even get the pin in, so I'm in the process of filing this down somewhat. I was able to get it in, but now it's still too tight. And the retaining pin, which is right pin and then the retaining clip right here, it's so tight that the pin basically doesn't rotate, and so it just pops that clip right off, which is not a good thing if it was to happen in flight. So simple solution, just file the inside of that down a little bit until it rotates freely. Okay, once I get that done, I'll show you the movement of this thing. More to come. Alright, I'm pretty happy with the left-hand door in the up position. It's pretty good. I'm gonna take the advice of others, and I'll bend this a little bit right here to get it formed a little bit more flush. Same thing over here. And I think I can adjust that linkage a little bit more to get it a little more flush. I can't test it in the completely down position because no matter how I cleco the hinge, it gets in the way, the clecos get in the way, and I can't bring this full down. I've ordered some magnets, which is what Bobo did, and I just haven't received them yet. The magnets will hold these hinges on very well, and then I can test it in the down position. But the true test is going to be when I actually get the wheel installed in here and then test it and see how the clearance is. But so far it's looking not too bad. More to come.